Hi, Terrence O'Hanlon, CEO at Reliability Web, and it's my pleasure to invite you to attend Maximo World, the world's largest gathering of IBM Maximo users anywhere. So, I want to tell you one thing. Make sure you stick around on day 4, Thursday, because that is when we're hosting the Maximo World Hackathons. What the heck is a hackathon? That's where you hack into something that's been causing you a problem or something that you want to master or accomplish, and subject matter experts are going to give you hands-on experience in how you can make advances in asset management through these hackathons. There's a series of 7 different hackathons. It's all included in your registration. All you have to do is select one. So make sure you check out Maximoworld.com, look at the agenda, make sure you take a flight out that allows you to stick around for the hackathons, because you are not going to want to miss these hands-on experiences.